Hi students, good morning. In the video நம்ம PQT, PRP, P&S மூணு சப்ஜெக்ட்லையும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூனிட் காமன். ஸோ அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூனிட்லேருந்து மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். ஏற்கனவே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ்க்கு. அதில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 40 கொஷின்ஸ் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இப்போ வந்து 41st கொஷின் பார்க்கலாம். இஸ் த ஃபங்க்ஷன் டிஃபைன்ட் as follows a density function. So what's the condition for the density function? The condition is integral over minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. So this is the condition for a density function. Here we are having the limit as 2 to 4. So integral over 2 to 4 f of x dx equal to 1. So if this result is true, then we can say it is a density function, or otherwise it is not a density function. So let me substitute f of x as 1 by 18 into 3 plus 2x dx. So let us integrate this and check whether the answer is 1 or not. So taking 1 by 18 outside, then integrating 3x plus 2 into, on integrating x will be getting x square by 2. Here the limit is from 2 to 4, which is equal to 1 by 18. So first let us substitute the upper limit 4. 4 3s are 12. Then here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Then 4 square is 16 minus, then substituting the lower limit we'll be getting 6 plus 2 square is 4. So which is equal to 1 by 18. Here it is 28 minus 10. So 28 minus 10 is 18. 18 by 18 is 1. So here we can say it is the density function. So here the option is A. Then next question. The cumulative distribution function CDF of the random variable capital X is f of x equal to 1 minus 1 plus x into e power minus x, comma x greater than 0. Find the PDF of capital X. So here they had given capital F of x. Capital F of x is nothing but CDF. Now we have to find out the corresponding PDF. The formula for finding PDF is f of x equal to d by dx of capital F of x. So here we are having capital F of x. So let us use this formula to find out the value for small f of x, which is nothing but the PDF of x. So here f of x is this one. So let us substitute f of x here. Then d by dx means we have to differentiate the function we have to differentiate the function capital F of x. So 1 minus, here I am bringing this e power term inside. So then again minus sign x into e power minus x, which is equal to, so let us differentiate this and write the answer. On differentiating 1 it will become 0, then minus differentiating e power minus x, it is e power minus x into minus 1, then minus. Now let us integrate x into e power minus x. So let us use this UV method for differentiating. So x into, on differentiating e power x, the answer is e power minus x into minus 1 plus, on differentiating x it is 1, so 1 into e power minus x, so which is equal to minus into minus plus e power minus x, then minus, again minus into minus plus x into e power minus x, then again here one negative sign, so minus e power minus x. So here these two terms will get cancelled. So the answer is x into e power minus x. So here our option is option A. Next question, 43rd question. Moment generating function of a random variable capital X about the origin is. So mx of t is nothing but moment generating function. Now we are having y as y equal to ax plus b. Then what's the value for my of t? This is simply a formula for my of t. If possible, you can remember the formula, or otherwise we can derive it. So my of t equal to expectation of e power t into y. Here let us use capital Y, because for capital Y we are having the expansion as ax plus b. So which is equal to expectation of e power t into, in the place of y let us replace with a into capital X plus b, which is equal to expectation of, now let us expand this term. So e power tax into e power bt. Here e power bt is a constant, so let us take this e power bt outside, then we will be getting expectation of e power tax, or otherwise xat, any you can write in any way. So here the answer is e power bt into, this is nothing but moment generating function of x. So this is mx of t. So this is the value. You can simply remember this value and write the answer, otherwise you can derive this one. So here the answer is option A. So what's the value for mcx of t? Here this is a constant, c is a constant. So let us see what's the answer we are getting. If it is mx of if it is simply mx of t means we will be writing expectation of e power tx. Simply here x, here x. So if it is mcx of t means we will be writing expectation of e power tcx. So which this is nothing but mx of ct, that's all. So mx of ct is the answer here, which is option C. Then what's the value for mx plus y of t? Mx plus y of t means mx plus y of t, which is equal to expectation of e power t into x plus y, which is equal to expectation of e power tx into e power ty, which is equal to, now let us split this as two terms, e power tx into expectation of e power ty. This is nothing but mx of t. Similarly, this is my of t. So here our option is option A. Next question, for the triangular distribution find the mean. So here we have to find out the mean corresponding to this f of x. So mean means expectation of x equal to integral over x into f of x dx. So now let us substitute this corresponding limits. So if the limit is 0 to 1, the value here is x. Already we are having one x, so x into x square dx, plus then if the limit is 1 to 2, we are having 2 minus x, already 1 x here, so x into 2 minus x dx, which is equal to, now let us integrate this. It is x cube by 3, limit is from 0 to 1, plus here it will be 2x minus x square. On integrating this, the answer is 2x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Here the limit is from 1 to 2, which is equal to, now let me substitute the upper limit here, which is 1 by 3, then minus 0. So which is equal to simply 1 by 3 for the first term. Now let us consider the second term, plus for the, here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. On substituting the upper limit, the answer is 4 minus 2 power 3 means 8. 4 minus 8 by 3. This is for upper limit. Then minus, on substituting the lower limit as 1, here the answer is 1 minus 1 by 3. Let us simplify this. 4 minus 8 by 3. The answer is 4 by 3. Minus, then 1 minus 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. So which is equal to, so what's the answer here? The answer is, on simplifying this, we'll be getting the answer as 1. So here the option is A. Then next one, in a Bernoulli trial, what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are always success, failure. Then what's the PMF of binomial distribution? If it is a discrete distribution, we'll be using the notation PMF, probability mass function. Otherwise, if it is a continuous distribution, means we'll be using the word PDF, probability density function. So here it is NCX p power x into q power n minus x. So option B. Then next one, what is the mean and variance of binomial distribution? So mean and variance means NP, NPQ. The mean and variance of binomial variate are 8 and 6. Find P and Q. So mean is NP. So NP equal to 8. Then variance is NPQ, which is equal to 6. So let us consider this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now 2 by 1, which is equal to NPQ by NP, which is equal to 6 by 8. So this implies Q equal to 3 by 4. So Q value is 3 by 4. Now what's the value for P? Let us use this P equation identity. Let us use this identity, P plus Q equal to 1. So P equal to 1 minus Q, which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Here the option is A. Students, if you like this video, hit the like button, share this with your friends. Then if you are having any comments, means ask me in the comment section. If you want notes for this video, means join as a member and get the notes. Thank you.